Look what arrived, finally. You know, we actually got 100,000 subscribers back in May. That was almost half a year ago. And these motherfuckers have stomach to send us this play button 6 months later. So let's open this bad boy. Ska vi läsa det?
You just done something very few YouTuber creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope... Is it? Oh, looks so shiny. Hydraulic press versus. This is from Susanne Wojcicki. We know you don't do this for rewards, no? You do it because you have a drive to create and share, yes? And because
we do it because we want to crush things.
And because you found an audience who cares, yes, you guys. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Oh yeah, you're rooting for us.
So it seems like they changed the batch, because I was actually complaining about this. And I asked them, you know, they said it's gonna be like 1 or 2 months before we got this. But actually when the 4th month came by, I said, hey YouTube, where's our play button? Why don't you send us? And actually you complain about bad batches and stuff, but I actually think they made this cheaper, you see? Seems like it's plastic this time.
Crap of shit. Oh, they send us a message. In blood. Don't press any more stupid shit.
Polera lite med tröjan.
Here we have the
magnificent.
The play button from YouTube. It's like wooden plate. Some
it's a baksida.
Steel. They didn't forget where it's from.
Let's press it.
Yeah, you know what to do with this. We need to check its stability. Stability! I said it right. Yeah, when you keep waiting like 6 months for receiving your play button, then you're kind of pissed off when it arrives. And it's like... yeah, it's a piece of crap. So you know what to do with it, it's just need to press it. Get the hydraulic press versus. So.
Ja, det blev lite i alla fall. Ska vi pressa den här ledden då?
Så?
Ja.
Ja, det kommer ju sticka. Fortsätt på lite. your press don't works anymore, you know how to solve the problem.
Ja. Får du med någon eld eller? Ja, det är bra.
Vad är det de ser det så jävla farligt med det här? Det står elden. Det är inte så att det kommer börja brinna. Nej, ställ inte in det där nu fan, när den är varm. Sen ser man börja ryka ifrån garagen. Vad fan är det som händer?
Du bara, Samme, ta sonen.
Du, allting där inne kan brinna någon hit.
Ja, men ärligt.
Skiträtt.
Men hur mycket är det?
Alltså den där jävla bilen, alltså den där bilen är så förstörd. Men stanna bilen! Eller hur?
Ja, kör den. Nej, men det är bara grus som sitter
i
i
bromsskivorna. It's son of Calin. Hep, hep. Hep.
Alltså har man tur så sprängt det.